Give your kids a fun and colorful way to get creative. Say hello to the Squeegee art kit from Purple Ladybug. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or an art-filled afternoon at home. Give a gift that both kids and parents love. Kids enjoy placing, then swiping vibrant paint colors to reveal eye-catching designs. Parents love how easy it is. Simple setup, quick cleanup, and screen-free fun that keeps kids busy and happy. Plus, parents appreciate that kids get pre-designed and blank pages to encourage open-ended creativity. The instant results are so satisfying and fun to watch, they'll want to make one after another. Everything they need is inside the box. It includes 12 pre-printed art sheets, 4 blank sheets, 10 colors of paint, themed stickers, a squeegee, and tray to keep the paint contained. Choose from 3 colorful themes: Princess Unicorn, Animal World, and Blooms and Bugs, or collect them all for even more creative fun. Get your Squeegee art kits today.